not start raining, I will cry. I just neutraled it. I have no confidence. Like I'm just sliding, I feel. So it's not supposed to be raining. Do you see the speeds I'm going? I generally know what to do in traffic. This is what I'm talking about. Ah, man. It's going. Do not start raining, I will cry. God, I will actually cry. I'm on the road. Oh, yeah, the rain is very nice ride with my tires which have literally no grip. So, yeah. So, okay. So, yeah. Well, another nice ride we are at. I'm just gonna get home. So, I thought my tires work. I hope I'm not a so also I have forgotten this place because there is some diversion which I have to do. So this is very fun. But this is all fucking it's all full kacha road. Oh fuck. Wow, wow. I just neutraled it. Oh, very nice. Very, very lovely. So I have actually ordered a mic. Okay. I'm still unsure if I'm actually gonna use that mic or anything. This is second time me neutraling it, man. Wow. Oh, yeah. I still not got. Yeah. So this is well another day of night ride, and it's raining. Today it's been raining the whole day. I had a job. Very lovely. Very lovely because morning I was soaking into the exam hall and I was 15 minutes late and yeah, the night lighting up. Huh. As I was saying, I went 15 minutes late to the exam hall thinking, oh shit, I'm gonna be late. And I see everyone sitting there joblessly and they just started laughing as soon as I entered. I was like, where is it? I was like, whole college pranked on me. Wow, man, yeah, I've lost it actually. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so I was like, oh shit, everybody is in this track there. And turns out they weren't able to figure out some technical issue because of the rain apparently. And that's the reason they blew out. But like, I doubt that was the reason. But yeah, exam went pretty well. We'll know when we actually get the result. Because I could just assume it went well, but I've got extremely shitty. So yeah, and oh, what the fuck? Okay. Now, I was saying, this bike, these MRF tires are absolutely shit. Like absolutely, I don't think I want to wear it. Yeah, but like they're absolutely bullshit. Like they offer no grip. I have no confidence. Like my scooty had better confidence. I could go better speeds in my scooty. Like they're absolutely wild. Like I'm just sliding. I feel. I don't even know how I'm, traveling in this. Oh, but well, I don't have the money to change it right now, and I don't know why it's raining in Bangalore. It's not supposed to be raining. Like it's genuinely not supposed to be raining. It is mid-October. Yeah. Yeah. mid-October. Why is it raining? I thought it's supposed to be winter art and everybody is posting winter art themes, and I'm just here being like, I don't know which weather I'm in actually, but yeah, funny. Bangalore is a funny city like that. You never know you never know when it's gonna be sunny as. Oh no, I can't get that. Yeah, you know, yeah, you never know when it's gonna be sunny or when it's just gonna drizzle really out of nowhere. And today it's rain, like it's rain. That's such a Bangalore thing to say. My English has gotten very Bangalorean. I did not have this in the I just speak off the word. My friends aren't really helping because they have also started eating half the words now. I'm excited to tell them. So, yeah. Oh, I think yeah, sure. I think that is my thing. I should just get a shirt because and I'm sure. But this will improve. They change it. Do you see the speeds I'm going? I'm barely touching 40 and I'm scared to go faster than this. Because I have absolutely no grip. I don't want to end up crashing the camera. I mean, I have some amount of grip. Probably exaggerating the amount of grip I have. But yeah, that's not great. Like, it's genuinely not great. I don't know how. I mean, I think these are stuff that. Yeah, these are stuff that. I don't know how, why they give this tag. Absolutely no good. Morning, I struggle. Like, I take around 15 minutes to reach in the morning. But today I took since there was rain, I would have taken like 20 minutes. Right? But today I took like 30 minutes. And I was going so cautious. Yeah, I was being so cautious. I was like, I do not want to die. Okay, I do not generally swear like that. I don't know what happened. So I can't see anything because my visor has just popped out. This is one junction which I don't know what to do. Like, I generally know what to do in traffic, but yeah, one junction where I have absolutely no idea what I need to do because it's just very confusing. It's just very confusing. Like, yeah, confusing. That is what I found. I think my content is just gonna be me fucking up every word. Oh, I can't talk. No, okay, I can't use the word. My bad. What was I saying? Anyway, forget it. Yeah, I was talking about how my content is just gonna be me trying to use words. Messing them up. Also, this is also. I don't know why I wrote this. It's been like 3 days, and every day I have passed by a day. Like, in every day I have passed by a day. I'm like, oh, wait. I might be soon going for like a long ride. I mean, not really long, but like a ride with my friends, college friends. And I hope that's good. Also, this car, it's not working. Like, it works when it wants to. It doesn't work when I want it to. It is not great. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like, I wanted it to work, but it didn't work. And now people just think I'm a maniac honking everywhere and going. No, it's good. Halfway through, we not just yet. God, this is not a challenge. Please do not make it straight. So please not. I do not want to be drenched. That is not a good or a way. But I was not a challenge, that's what I meant. I don't know what that's about. Oh, what the f is this speed of bus here? Generally, buses don't come on this way. So, right, I guess now it's also yeah, so yes. No, my phone was still not good. There is a dumping day on the middle of the road. I mean, not middle of the road, but like on the almost on middle of the road. Which I will just do it. Even though that side is narrow, I do not want to do that. I think it's easier. Both sides are just but yeah, the side road seems a little more empty generally. I don't know, since I said it's gonna be more emptier, I think it's gonna be very bad. But yeah, no cars. Also, I changed on go around with that thing, so it's I don't know how to because ever since I changed around the atmosphere, so I have absolutely no idea what's going to happen that far. Because I mean, I can't go here. I don't know just when I did the car I was driving the car the right side did not have any. Yeah, I would be there. Where is this guy from? Okay, it's just somebody. I don't. Oh no, he was just. Yeah, I was like for a second. I was like, is he trying to like go on the football? I don't think that's a great idea, but like whatever works for them. Oh, why do you have oh, this is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I would have shat myself there because my bike did not have stopped. Like, yeah, no good. I don't know how this guy managed to survive it. Oh god. And I'm sure it's not in a high function. Honk, man. When I want you to honk. Oh my god, I'm just like it honks when the extreme situation is over. What's the point? Also, my dude, that is not parking. Like, what have you turned it into? And what is this way trying to do? Trying to park it, okay. Yeah. Two absolute idiots on the road. Like, go just in the middle of the road. He's like, I'll put hazard lights on, so it's fine. Anyone coming behind will know. I do not know if I want to go beside this guy. Understandable why he was doing that shit. Oh, I will just take a right way. Also, my dude, you have so much space there. Like, just use that space. How hard is that? So, excuse me, thank you. Yes. What is still doing? Okay. Oh, there's no crowd here. Generally, this place has a lot of it. Nice only. I will get my seat faster. Oh, no. Comparatively, it's very good. So I will get my seat faster. I did not just do that. I put it into neutral and then I turned the thing off and I just put it into second. Funny.